I just updated the insurance for my barn for full replacement coverage of my tractor and my implements. You're going to be interested in what I paid originally and what the cost is now. Guaranteed, so stay tuned. Hi, this is Paul from CountryCraziness.com. If you're interested in tractors, post-frame construction, and homesteading, well then you've come to a good place. Why not subscribe? And if you're only interested in tractors, check out my other channel called New Tractor. I'll put a description down below. So it's this time of year where I need to update my insurance coverage to make sure that if my barn burns down, I can replace all my implements and my tractor without coming up with any out-of-pocket cost myself. So I contacted my dealer, Mike Schramke, who sold me my equipment originally, and he provided me the original invoice and also what an up-to-date quote would be for the same exact things that I bought back then. So let me show you what the costs are on these different items that I purchased. Most of them are the same types of things that you would need yourself. My tractor is a Coyote DK 5310 SEHB with hydrostat transmission. It puts out 50 horsepower and has 41 PTO horsepower. The original price was $28,273 and the replacement cost is $28,546. For the loader, I originally paid $5,854. The price of the loader today is exactly the same as it was then. I also have a Titan model 1306 medium heavy rotary cutter with a slip clutch. Originally, I paid $1,580 for it. Today, that price is $2,842. I also own a Titan model 3207 7-foot box scraper. Originally, I paid $880. Today, the replacement cost is $1,428. I also teamed up a Titan heavy-duty pallet set with 40-inch forks and a 4,000-pound capacity. I paid $620 for that. Today it would cost me $945 to replace it. I also bought a 22-foot Jackson heavy-duty trailer with a 12,000-pound GVR, and I paid $3,380. That same trailer today is $5,880. The interesting thing about this whole analysis is that you can see that the price increases have really come with the implements that I put with the tractor and the trailer. The price of steel, the price of tires, the price of wood planking on the trailer, all these things combined have driven the cost of the trailer and the implements through the roof compared to where they were. Now I'm going to talk about more about this in a future video and how some manufacturers are using surcharges and some people are using price increases and what the implications are for you when it comes time for your purchase. I'm going to put a side-by-side at the end of this video of the two different invoices. You can go ahead and take a screenshot of that. If you're interested in any of that type of stuff, I've got the contact information for Mike Schramke down below. The prices are current factory incentives that run through 12/31/2021.